This is the source 1 thermostat controlling the heating and cooling throughout the office part of this building. This is the temperature in the room. This is the cooling set point. This is the heating set point. To change the cooling set point higher or lower, click cooler and change it like this. To change the heating set point, click warmer or cooler. To override the current program, change it to unoccupied or occupied. To change the program, program off, program on. To change the current program, press and hold. To set the program, use the cooler and warmer to cycle through the available options. Number of occupied periods is 1. Auto is cooling and heating, just depending on the temperature of the room. Weekday occupied set point is currently at 24. To change it warmer or cooler, just use these buttons here. Weekday occupied heat setting is right here, and same thing, to change it warmer and cooler, use those buttons there. Unoccupied mode, set point cooling to 28, change cooler or warmer. Unoccupied heat set point, warmer, cooler. Weekday occupied enable. To change the time right here, so you can do cooler and warmer to make it earlier or later. Weekday occupied stop time to make it earlier or later, earlier, later. Saturday occupied start time, 6 a.m. currently, change to earlier or to later. Saturday occupied stop time, currently at 7:15, to change earlier or later. Sunday occupied start time, cooler, warmer, earlier or later. Occupied stop time, earlier, change to later. To turn the fan on and have it on continuously, you press this button, and there it says fan on. And fan, this means that fan will be running whether or not the system is in heating or cooling. To have the fan on auto, for it to be running during heating and cooling only, press that button, and now this means that the fan is in auto. This is the temperature control for the makeup air units in the warehouse. This is the current outdoor air temperature outside. This icon means that heat mode is enabled. This temperature is the space temperature inside the warehouse. This temperature is the supply air temperature coming out of the makeup air ducts. To turn the makeup air unit on or off, click this button here, and click this button for on or off. This is the heat enable setting, which means that above 17 degrees, the heat will not come on. And if the temperature is below 17 degrees, then the heat will come on. So you can change it like this. This is the discharge air temperature, and to change that, you just go with this button for lower or this button for higher. And this is the mixed air temperature. To change that is the exact same. And we're back to unit on setting.